Guys, we'd like to thank you once more for all of the donations that continue to pour in for the Families for All Hub in Coventry this Christmas. A massive thank you from the bottom of my heart and the rest of the team here at Platinum Wave Automotive. So we're going to get the van loaded up and head over to the Christmas party that we've arranged for them all.
Platinum Wave Automotive came along to our hub today, Families for All in Fosil, and have done the most amazing Christmas party for all the families in the community in Fosil. It has been incredible and we can't thank them enough. Our families have just had an absolute whale of a time. It's been brilliant.